Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add a WhatsApp chat button in Hostinger Website Builder. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, let's get your WhatsApp chat link ready. This link allows visitors to start a conversation with you with just one click. Now that your link is ready, it's time to add this button to your site. Go ahead and open your site in the Hostinger Website Builder. Once that's up, look over to the left sidebar. You'll see an option to add elements. Clicking on that will expand a list of options you can incorporate into your site. Search for the button element here. Once you found it, simply drag it to where you'd like it to appear on your web page. You might place it in the footer, perhaps in a corner, or maybe right in your contact section, wherever it makes the most sense for you and your visitors. After dragging in the button, you'll want to tweak it a bit. Click on Edit button, and starting with the text, click on the button and change the text to accurately convey its function. Once that's done, move on to the link field. This is where your newly created WhatsApp link will go. Paste the link you've prepared earlier right into this field. Finally, for the best user experience, it's a smart idea to set the link to open in a new tab. This ensures that your website remains open, providing a seamless experience for your visitors even after they initiate a chat with you. It keeps everything neat and accessible. And that's it. So that is how you can add a WhatsApp chat button in Hostinger Website Builder. So that's all for this video. Thanks.